Good evening students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to discuss an important concept in real numbers of 10th class, logarithms. Logarithm is the inverse function to exponential. That means logarithm of a given number is the exponent of which another number. Students, let us understand this concept by taking some examples. Let us take an example 5 cube. 5 cube. 5 cube is equal 5 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 125. Now 5 cube is equal to 125. This is called exponential form. Exponential form 5 cube is equal to 125. Here what we can say that here 5 is the base. Here 5 is the base and 3 is the exponent. 3 is the exponent and 125 is a number. 125 is a number. Now observe one more example here. 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So its exponential form of 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. What is the base here? 2 is the base. 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent. 5 is the exponent and 32 is a number. 32 is a number. So here 5 cube is equal to 125, 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. Here 125 is equal to 5 to the power of dash. Here 32 is equal to 2 to the power of dash. Here 2 which power? Observe the students here. 2 which power? The base 5 should be raised to get 125. Once again observe here, 2 which power? 2 which power? 5 should be raised to get 125. In the same way here, to which power? 2 should be raised to get the number 32. We are asking about the power of 5, or 32 is power of 2. 32 is which power of 2? Obviously it is 5. Here obviously 5 raised to 3 times. The statement can be expressed in simple notation in using logarithmic function. Here this is the statement. Here it is the statement. This is the statement. Here statement can be expressed in simple notation in using logarithmic form. So already we discussed here what is the logarithm. Logarithm is the inverse function to exponentiation. That means logarithm of a given number. Here the given number is 125. The given number is 125. Here the given number is 32. Logarithm, simply logarithm can be, shortly we can write this is log. Logarithm of 125. Logarithm of 125. The given number is 125. Its logarithm of a given number is the exponent to which another number. Exponent to which another number. is equal to what we get here. This is 3. Observe the students once again here. What is the logarithm? That means logarithm of a given number. Logarithm of a given number is the exponent to another number is known as a logarithm. Here 32 is the given number. 32 is the given number. Its logarithm 32 is of another number. 2 is equal to 5. So here for your given number, what power is raised to the another number here? Obviously 32 is the given number. The power which is raised to 2 is obviously it is 5. So logarithmic notation, we call these two are the logarithmic form. Logarithmic form here. So log 1, we can read this as log 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. That means it is 5 cube is equal to 125. 5 raised to 3 times is equal to 125. So 125 is equal to 5 cube. It is exponential form. Its logarithmic form of a given number 125 is raised to exponent to the another number 5 is equal to 3. Here 32 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. It is called an exponential form. Its logarithmic form is 32. We can read this like this as log of 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. So by this we conclude that here if a to the power of x is equal to n, this is an exponential form. Its logarithmic form is exponential form. Its logarithmic form is log n to the base a is equal to x. In the same way, if 2 cube is equal to 8, its logarithmic form of log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Given number is 8 and another number is 2. So logarithm of if a given number is the exponent to another number. So 2 cube is equal to 8. From this we can generalize some properties to compute the next exercise. We have to know some properties here. Here properties of logarithms. Properties of logarithms. So what are the properties? Simple properties are here. Now the first property is log b to the power of x to the base a. Here what is base here? Base is a. So we can write this is x into, what is x here? B to the power of x. This x, the power of b brought to the coefficient of log here. So x into log b to the base a. The second property, so we are giving one example immediately here. One example here, suppose log 5 cube to the base 2. We can write this as 3 into log 5 to the base 2. 5 to the base 2. And the second law is log of here a power x to the, here base is a to the power of x. Here base of this logarithm is a and the number is given number is b to the power of x. Here the given number is only b. The base is a to the power of x. If it given like this, we can write this is 1 by x into log b to the base a, log b to the base a. For this one, we are giving one example here. The example here, suppose log here 2 cube 5, the number is 5, base is 2 cube, so we can write this is 1 by 3 log 5 to the base 2, 1 by 3 log 5 to the base 2. And the third property is here. This is the product property. We can say this is log x into y, log x into y to the base a. Here two numbers are given here, x and y. They are in product form. The extension of this one, we can write this as log x to the base a plus and log y to the base a. Here base is a. For example, one example for this, log of suppose 10 5 into 2. Here the number is 10, base is 10. We can write this is log 5 to the base 10 plus log 2 to the base 10. And one more here, log x divided by to the base a. Here log x into y, expansion of this x into y can be written as log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Suppose log x divided by y is given, we can write this like as log x to the base a minus, we are using the notation is minus log y to the base a, log y to the base a. Suppose for example, one example here, log of 10 2 divided by 3. So we can write this is log 2 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. So these are the important properties of a logarithm. And some more properties we can write like this. Suppose here the fifth property here, 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. We know this one. So logarithmic form of this is an exponential form. Logarithmic form of this is logarithm. If we write this is in logarithmic form, we will get here log 1 to the base 10 is equal to 0. Here 0 will come here. If we write this in a logarithmic form, that the places of 0 and 1 are changed here. So log 1 to the base 10 is equal to 0. From this we can say that always log of 1, always log of 1 to any base is 0. Always log of 1 to any base is 0. And sixth property here, 10 to the power of 1 is equal to 10. It is an exponential form. Its logarithmic form is log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. We observe here log 10, its base is also 10. By this log x to the base x is equal to 1 and log n to the base n is equal to 1. So from this we can say that always log of any number to the same base, to the same base is 1. So these are the properties, important properties. By using these properties we can compute the next exercise. Okay students, all of you, I hope that you are understand all these properties and what is the meaning of logarithm. Okay, we will see in the next class. Thank you.